Hello everyone, welcome back to our Cloud AI course. In day 1 we learned how to what Cloud AI is. In day 2 we explored the Cloud AI interface and learned how to create our first prompt, right? Today in day 3 we are going to learn an interface an important topic, Cloud AI versus traditional search. Okay, we will understand the difference between searching for information on a traditional search engine and asking Cloud AI to help us with information. Okay, right? What is the traditional search? You all know about this traditional search. Traditional search first learn. So first let's understand traditional search. What is traditional search? Okay. Traditional search spelling is like TRADA traditional. Okay. This is the traditional search. When we use the traditional search engine, we normally type keywords or questions into the search box, right? The search engine that provides a list of web pages, articles, videos, images, and other results. Okay, now I will show you some live example. So first we need to search here, right? This is the traditional search that what we are searching here. Okay. How to learn Power BI. If we just search like this, how to learn Power BI. How to learn Power BI. Okay. If you search this in traditional search, here we can see multiple search results, right? We need to open the different websites and read the information to find what we are looking for. So see here is it is from Coursera.org and this is from QuerySearch.com. It means they are different websites. It is coming from different websites. This is from Udemy.com. See here Udemy.com. Like this, there are different webs. There are different sources will come from different websites. This is eli5.com. If you go below, okay. If you go to second second page also, it would be similar like this. See here in the second search box, I click. See it is opened. It's deeds for deeds.org. It is open from deeds.org.org/powerbi. Okay, like this there are different websites. They will the different websites will provide different things. So we need to search everything and we need to go to each and every what is that every test, and once we go into there we will get to know that what we have to do. They will said, they will tell, right? So here we will read the information to find and what we are looking for. Okay, so what is Cloud AI? Now open Cloud AI. See, now open Cloud AI. Cloud AI I said, right, in the previous class also Cloud AI, right? We have to open that from Cloud AI website only. We need to open. Okay, this is a chatbot LLC. This is cloud.com. So we need to click here cloud. Okay, please be patient. It will load before 60 seconds. It will load. Okay, it is loading now. Okay, it was loaded. So here we need to do our instructions, right? Now let's ask Cloud the same question. Type here How can how can I learn? How can I learn Power BI? Actually, why I am typing Power BI means that I have already told in the previous class only I told about Power BI, right? So for that remembering, because of that memory, remembering this one, that's why I typed here as a beginner. Give me a simple 30-day learning plan. If you type like this, see here, it will show you very clearly. Give me a 30-day learning plan. That's why we will use cloud version. Okay. Give me a 30-day learning plan. What I type learning plan. So after this, you need to type enter. Then it will give you, as per our instruction, it will give the entire information raise. See here, it is giving the 30 days Power BI plan. Here, if you want to study, you can study days. It is saying that day 1 to 10 to get started, get oriented. Okay. I mean, install Power BI desktop free, Windows only, Windows version. How to install Power BI in our local desktop and explore the interface. Report view, data view, model views are there, right? Field span and understand the Power BI ecosystem, desktop and versus self service versus mobile. Mobile view also it will show. Actually, we have mobile view also in Power BI desktop. I told you in the class, I think so. These things I have already discussed about you. See here in V2 we need to prepare from days 8 to 10 Power Query basics, from days 11 to 12 shaping data, days 13 to 14 practice project 1. In that project also what we have to do, take a messy real world data set, sales, HR or sports data and clean it fully in Power Query before loading. Okay. And what we have to do in V3 data modeling in DAX. Days 15 to 16 data modeling basics. So if you complete all these things, we will cover the Power BI entire completely, guys. Instead of giving us a list of web pages, Cloud create a response based on our instructions right here. That's why we'll use Cloud. Okay, Cloud AI. Now I will explain the simple difference between the Cloud AI, okay, Cloud AI and the traditional search. Okay. Here I will use traditional search, and in the right side we can take Cloud AI. It will give search results and take okay search results. Then what is cloud? What will you Cloud AI? See, it will generate a response. Okay, you can simply say that it will generate a response. Actually, both will work on the internet only, but traditional search we already know about this traditional search from our childhood also. Okay, Cloud AI is a different. It's a website name, clouda.com. Okay. In traditional search, we usually browse so multiple sources. Okay, in Claude AI, it can organize an answer for us. Can be organized, or we can say it like it can build. Okay, it can organize or build. Okay, an answer for us. Answer answer for us. And coming to traditional search now, here keyboard searching is common. Keyboard search. Okay, but in Cloud AI, natural language instructions. Okay, it will follow natural language. It is not specified only for English. Okay, we can we can ask for Telugu also. For Telugu people, we can ask Telugu, or if you are from Hindi background, you can ask in Hindi also. Whatever your language, it will reply as per your language. Okay, natural language instruction. Here we will, in traditional search there are multiple websites will be there, right? We have already discussed. So here we have to decide. We decide which information to use. Okay, but in Cloud AI, see, okay, it can summarize. It can summarize or structure information. It is good or finding specific websites. Okay, for traditional search. If anyone asks about traditional search, we will remember that it should be like Google or like this bar, this address bar. Okay, this is the address bar. Okay, okay. It is good or finding specific websites. Good for Claude AI, it is good brainstorming, explaining and drafting. Okay, it is good for explaining and drafting. Here it is good or finding. Sorry, I forgot to miss it here. It is good or finding specific websites. But in Cloud AI, good or for brainstorming, yeah, explaining and drafting. Okay. So the main difference is that traditional search help us find information, while cloud can help us work with information through a conversation. Okay. Example is learning a topic. Example we can take like if you want to learn into a topic, we will ask traditional search. Okay. Like see here, here I will traditional search is the typing in website, right? This is the traditional search. Here we can ask like what is DAX in Power BI. If you type this one, we can find right. There are different websites and we need to search what it would fit for us. Okay, Udemy is good. So you can Udemy if you have a good opinion on elevify.com, you can open this one also. Okay, like this we can search in the traditional search. Okay, here I searched that what is DAX in Power BI. But how we look into the cloud AI, in cloud AI also we can ask these questions. Okay, cloud.com. Yes, just being patient here because it would take like yeah open. Oh. Here we can search race. Here I'm searching like see here. Same DAX only, right? I asked it before. So same question we can ask here. Explain DAX, DAX in Power BI. To a complete beginner. We want for beginner level, so to a complete beginner, I'm saying to Claude AI, okay? To a complete beginner version only, I'm asking. Okay, give me three simple exercises. We can ask like this. I- What we are going to, what we want to ask to your friend like that, we can ask to Claude AI also. Just treat like he's your friend, okay? Give me three simple examples. and then give me five practice questions. Okay. And give me five practice questions we can ask to Cloud. Okay, like this. If you ask this one, see, it will reply as per our question only. First, it explain what is DATS. Okay, two main DAT types of DATS formulas: calculator problem, measures. We already discussed now in our Power BI class, right? And it gave three simple examples also. How to calculate total sales equal to sum of sales of amount. Once read, if you have any free time, just read it once. Okay. Notice that Cloud can follow multiple instructions in a single prompt and structure the response according to what we ask. Okay. Example, writing an email is the one task for us. Okay. Now let's take a complete different example. In a search engine, type professional leave request email. In a search engine, I'm saying. In a search engine, type professional request my email. See, it is giving some suggestions. One or two words. Okay. Now, if you type like this, and if you after typing this, you can give press enter button. Okay. It is given that how we have to write email like this. See, a professional leave request email should clearly state our dates, your dates, type of leave, brief reason, coverage plan, and a polite request for approval. Okay. Below is a polished template based on widely recommend best practices and 2026 guidelines. Okay. Like hi and your manager name. I would like to request leave from starting date through ending date. Returning to work on return date. I am requesting this time off for brief reason, right? But if you type this question in Cloud AI, see, it will use the structure of the mail and everything. Okay. Here I am asking to Cloud that write a professional leave request. Professional leave request. If you type any suggestion, you can just press tab once. Okay. Then it will take that point. Just for request email, not for request email to my manager. To my manager for 2 days. because of a personal reason. Because of a personal reason. Okay. Of a, keep it polite and nonsense. We can give instructions also. Keep it polite. Okay. Cloud can Cloud can create a customized dart based on the details we provided. Example summarization. See here. Hi, and your manager name. I hope you are doing well. I would like to request 2 days of leave on starting date and ending date due to personal matter. I will ensure my current tasks are up to date before I leave, and I am happy to hand off anything urgent to a teammate. Okay, if needed. Please let me know if you had like to discuss further. And thank you for considering my request. Best regards and your name. Okay. See, you can copy the subject of the mail and you can paste it in your email. Okay, Gmail or any email what we are using, you can copy and paste and you can send this. So like this, cloud is very much developed, right? Next, one question is arising here. What is that? Is cloud better than search? This is an important part of our class. Now you may have question is cloud is better than traditional search or not? The answer is not necessarily. They are useful for traditional purposes. Okay, they are used for different purposes. Use traditional search when you want to find a specific website. You want current information. If you want news and live updates, here I will write here. Free online whiteboard. Okay. Why we are using traditional search means use traditional search when you want to find a specific when you want to find specific website. You want current information. You want current information, and if you want news and live updates, if you want news and live updates, and if you want to compare different websites, This one I will read now from now. If you want to find official source, we will use the traditional search. Okay. This is for traditional search only. These ones. Now we will explain Cloud AI search. Why we have to use Cloud AI? Okay. Use Cloud AI when you want an explanation. If you want an explanation, then we will use Cloud AI. Okay. If you want to summarize information, it means see you have any some document, some in PDF version or you're in any document file. If you want to summarize those points, you can just simply just upload in the Cloud AI and you can reply like you can send message like please I want summarize these points in this PDF attachment. So then it will attach. It will give all the tasks that we want. Okay. If you want news and live updates, also Cloud AI is best. And if you want to compare different websites, and if you want to find official source, these ones I already said right here. Sorry. If you want an explanation, this Cloud AI is best. And if you want to summarize information, Cloud AI is best. If you want to brainstorm ideas, and if you want to create a draft, and if you want to organize information, and also if you want to have a conversation about a topic. Okay. For these points, we'll use the Cloud AI. Okay. We should not blindly trust information generated by AI. For important topics such as medical, legal, financial, or current information, we should verify the information using reliable and authoritative sources. Okay. See, final practical demo I will explain now. Here we can search here. I am a beginner. Just I am saying to the cloud that I am a beginner who wants to learn Power BI. Not only Power BI, you can set any language. Okay, I am just simply writing here. Okay. What it is? Who want to learn Python or any subject we can type Power BI. So it will explain to us in a simple way that anyone can understand. Okay, in your native language also it will explain. Yes, explain what Power BI is and please create a 7-day beginner learning plan. Learning plan. What I type and give me three practice tasks. Use simple English. Use That means we are asking to the Cloud AI, okay, use simple English for us. Like that we can ask, okay, and present the learning plan table, okay. Learning plan in table. This is very conversational AI becomes very useful. We are not simply searching the web page. We are giving Cloud AI task and asking it to organize the response according to our requirements. Okay. So today we learn the difference between Cloud AI and traditional search. Traditional search is very useful for finding websites, current information, news, and specific sources. Cloud AI is useful for conversational tasks such as explaining concepts, summarizing information, brainstorming ideas, and creating drafts. The important thing to remember is that Cloud AI and traditional search are not competitors. For every task we can ask, we can use both tools depending on what we need. Okay, depending on our specification, we can ask, well, you can use Cloud AI or Google search. Okay. Thank you for watching day 3 of our Cloud AI course. If you found this class useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in day 4. Okay. Thank you.